Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make keto peanut butter. Making your own low-carb peanut butter is surprisingly simple and incredibly rewarding. We'll walk through selecting the right ingredients to ensure it fits your ketogenic lifestyle, then dive into the straightforward process. You'll learn how to achieve that perfect texture, whether you prefer it smooth or with a delightful crunch. Plus, I'll share some fantastic tips for customizing and storing your fresh, homemade spread. Let's get started. For our keto peanut butter, the ingredients are key. Start with about 2 cups of natural, unsalted peanuts. Make sure they have no added sugars or unhealthy oils. Next, you'll need a keto-friendly sweetener. Options like erythritol or a few drops of liquid stevia work wonderfully. Adjust to your preferred sweetness. For an extra smooth texture and a boost of healthy fats, consider adding 1 or 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil, like MCT oil. Finally, a small pinch of salt will really bring out the rich peanut flavor. Now for the fun part, blending. First, if your peanuts aren't already roasted, spread about 2 cups on a baking sheet and roast them for 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This really brings out their flavor. Once slightly cooled but still warm, transfer them to a powerful food processor. Process for about 5 to 10 minutes, scraping down the sides every minute or so, until the peanuts transform from crumbs to a smooth, creamy butter. Then, add your sweetener, a pinch of salt, and any optional oil, blending until everything is perfectly incorporated. Once your keto peanut butter is made, it's time to think about customization and storage. For a delightful twist, try adding 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder for a chocolate version, or mix in a teaspoon of cinnamon. You can also stir in some chia seeds or flax seeds for extra fiber. To store, simply transfer your fresh peanut butter into an airtight container. It will keep beautifully in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 weeks, ready for you to enjoy on your favorite keto snacks. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.